In my life, I faced various transitions, moving often as a child, traveling for military service, and now pursuing a Global Executive MBA. Initially, I sought career advancement in healthcare, but instead chose a path of entrepreneurship. I found solace in the Notre Dame network, including faculty, peers, and resources which helped me start my own business. At Notre Dame, I knew I found a community that shared my aspirations. It wasn't just about climbing the corporate ladder, it was about using business as a force for good, about creating something that would leave a lasting impact on our society. Thanks to the education and experience I've gained here, I'm not just dreaming of starting my own business, I'm making it a reality. I'm shaping the future of entrepreneurship and proving that business success and societal impact can go hand in hand. At Mendoza, I'm not just learning how to succeed in business.
I'm learning how to redefine it, and that's how you grow the good in business.